Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase FIFA 24. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google FIFA 24 and hit enter. And you need to click on this EA Sports. So once you open, you can see different options here, that is buy now, launch trial. So you simply need to click on buy now and wait for a few seconds, and here you can see select platform. So I'm going to for EA app, and here you can see different versions. So let me select unlimited ultimate edition. So it is up to you, and here you can see that you want to get a free trial or buy. So I want to buy this game, and you can select the edition, and here you need to click on checkout and enter your card details and complete the transaction. After that you are able to play EA game because you purchased this. So this is a process by which you can purchase FIFA 24. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.